Hi, I'm Lauri.
And I'm Anni from Hydraulic Press channel.
And today we are going to film with Delete. We have their really nice 3000 bar pressure washer here on the next to the frozen lake. And the idea is to do some fun videos with the machine, see how it washes the ice or cut. I think it's going to be a great day. And let's go have a look at the machine and here where they usually use it. I think this is like a bit special day also for them.
Yeah.
Here we have 3000 bar water jetting machine. We have a Deutz motor about 250 horsepower and it gives 3000 bars and 30 liters per minute water there. Cuts about everything except metal.
So it goes like inside of concrete and stuff like that?
Yeah, it cuts very deep. It cuts ice, wood, concrete.
Where do you use this machine on like real work?
We clean boilers, we clean different kind of painting, removal, that kind of stuff. Yeah, so and of course we fix the bridges, because in Finland we have a huge problem with the winter and salt. It breaks down the concrete and then we come and clean the bad concrete away.
Yeah, and what is your opinion? Is it going to go through the lake?
It's going to cut it very easily.
Yeah.
No problem at all.
And I did some looking on the internet and seems that the pressure washers can be quite dangerous.
Yeah.
Is there like what kind of safety things we have to?
We have very straight protocols. We do the risk analysis and then the work pair who is going to do the work, they have their own risk protocol. They have a sheet that they do and they need to be very straight what they're going to do and how we are going to accomplish the work.
Yeah.
And when we're going to do the work, there is a safety parameter around the actual working place where no one can go inside. Because there is two things, the water, the pressure is very harmful, and if the water comes it cuts, of course. But then there is those particles that we remove, they go very speedfully away, so they also very harmful.
And the operator has like safety suit around.
Yeah, it's kind of same suit that those guys who will tear down the bombs, like the police guys, they wear the same kind of suit. So it's full Kevlar. We have a Kevlar jacket, Kevlar trousers, and Kevlar boots on.
Yeah. So a bit like bulletproof vest.
Yeah,
but
fully. Yeah. We can shoot that guy. Nah, not actually.
Yeah. Yeah, but I think me and Anni, we are going to stay far away and let you guys handle the actual washing.
Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah. You do your work, you're very good with the filming, and we do our work.
Yeah. So I think we are ready to start. That's great! Wow! Yep, so now we are going to cut some blocks, and this would take pretty long with the chainsaw. It's this thick ice, so let's see how it goes with this. Let's go take some samples.
Yeah.
It's a bit harsh to compare to chainsaw, but I think this is like really good clump.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Wow.
The cut is really clean.
Yeah.
Yep, so here is the sand container and the water creates vacuum that sucks the sand through that pipe. Then it mixes there just before it flies out and it comes out really fast. So we should be able to cut the doors and cut the windshield and cut everything.
Got everything.
Yeah, I think the car is clean now. Let's go have a look. And on the first door,
We have new door.
we have small door. This is like for your cat.
Cat door.
No, that doesn't open.
Hey, woohoo! That lot of damages. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
There is some minor damage on the interior.
Oh no, yeah. That's bad.
I think the front seats took the worst hit.
Yeah.
And also that side windows are broken.
Yeah.
Yep, we had pretty fun day.
Yeah.
And I think the guys from Delete also enjoyed the little bit different day.
Yeah. Different work day.
Yeah. And the machine worked really well. Here it's really cold day today. And we didn't have any problems with the weather or anything.
Yeah.
And the lake is now clean and the car is clean.
All clean.
Yeah. So that is all for today.
Thanks for watching.
And have a nice day.